I'm a backyard bird watcher enthusiast and was so excited when Kingsyard offered me the opportunity to check out and test out their Titto Solar Smart Bird Feeder. So here's my honest review and experience from setup to usage. Let's get started. The first thing I noticed when I received the package was that everything felt like really good quality, and that was really impressive, from the housing to everything else. It is recommended to fully charge the webcam first before you do setup. This makes it easier later on. Assembly itself took me about 25 minutes or so. The instructions were fairly clear, but you will need a drill and a screwdriver. I ended up mounting mine to our deck railing, but you can also install it on a pole, on a fence. The brackets are really nice and offers a lot of flexibility for where you can actually install this. The camera itself fits securely inside the housing, and the solar panel connects right into the top, keeping the battery charged once it is installed. Since it is currently summer right now, I decided to use the Hummingbird feeder attachment. It comes with two different attachments. One's for regular birds, a regular platform feeder that you can use in other seasons or all year if you want. And in case you're wondering, it does come with a built-in ant moat, so you don't have to have a separate piece of equipment. The app was super easy to set up. I had no issues with that. Keep in mind that at this time at least, the subscription is needed if you want to actually have recorded video. But I decided not to do that. I'm just using the free photo capture feature. I was amazed at how quickly the Hummingbirds came to start checking out the feeder, but with any new feeder, I kept my old one nearby while they got used to it. And because of the different parts of the actual pole, it's very easy to maneuver and to accommodate different types of spaces. So I thought that was really nice. I hope you found this video helpful.